In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add birthdays in Outlook calendar. We'll walk through turning on Outlook's built-in birthday calendar and adding a new birthday when it isn't already in your contacts. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along whether you're using Outlook on the web or the new Outlook app on your desktop. First, open Outlook and switch to the calendar view. Look for the option labeled Add Calendar. When you click it, select birthdays from the available calendar types. If you're prompted to choose an account, pick the one where your contacts are stored. Then, make sure Turn on the birthday calendar is checked. This enables a dedicated calendar that Outlook uses to display birthdays as all-day, yearly events. Once it's on, Outlook will scan your existing contacts for birthdays and start populating them automatically. This can take a moment, so don't worry if you don't see everything right away. Give it a short delay and the entries should appear. If some birthdays are missing, it usually means the birthday field isn't filled out on those contacts. As long as the birthday exists in the contact, it will show up here. Now, let's add a birthday directly from the calendar. In the calendar pane, expand My Calendars, find the birthdays calendar, and either right-click it or open its overflow menu. Choose New Birthday. This opens a simple contact form focused on birthday details. Enter the person's name, then add their birth date in the designated birthday field under the Others section of the form. When you're done, click Create or Save. Behind the scenes, Outlook creates a new contact with that birthday and sets up a recurring annual event on your birthday calendar. You don't have to create the event separately, the calendar builds it for you. This keeps everything consistent, so if you ever edit the birthday on the contact, the event updates automatically. After saving, return to your birthday calendar and you'll see the birthday appear as an all-day event on the correct date. These entries repeat every year, so you won't need to add them again. If you like, you can color code the birthday calendar for easy visibility, or temporarily hide other calendars so birthdays stand out. Keep in mind that what you see is tied to the account you enabled earlier, so make sure you're using the same account where your contacts live for best results. That's it. Thanks for watching.